my payment is like $400 a month, and I didn't have a job at the time when you guys did my evaluation. So I'm not sure where you guys got the information that I had a job. I've never even had a job where I made $1,000 a month, so that makes no sense. Like, she doesn't work or pay any child support, which is also not right. So I'm also trying to figure out if there's like a way to go about that in court. Or
whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Bickman, you filed a motion regarding support. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. And what would you like the court to know regarding that motion?
When you guys did the evaluation, it said that I had jobs on there and I made a few $1,000s a week. So when you set my payment is like $400 a month, and I didn't have a job at the time when you guys did my evaluation. So I'm not sure where you guys got the information that I had a job. But
and what is your employment situation now?
I'm currently looking for work. I just recently had an interview, but it's kind of hard with my felony and my location. So,
okay. Ms. Forward, do you have any comments or questions on this matter?
When they were doing the evaluation or the getting information, the child support specialist for the state said that they go off of like the ability to work in his past employment, and I believe that's where they got their numbers from.
Okay, ma'am, do you work or not?
My daughter's on disability, and so I take care of her.
Okay, so it looks like in the calculation result that I see in the folder that they attributed just under $2,000 a month in income to you, Mr. Bickman.
right.
So that's not it's not weekly, it's monthly. So they felt that's a reasonable wage. They indicated it was potential income. Factors included your prior employment history, education level, any physical or mental disabilities. I don't know.
I mean, even my previous. Sorry. Even my previous history, I've never made it.
I'm not sure offhand what that calculates to per hour, but I don't think it's an exorbitant amount. Friend of the court, do you know?
Not offhand, no.
Okay. So, sir,
I've never even had a job where I made $1,000 a month, so that makes no sense.
All right. Well,
my last job, I only worked 2 days a week. So.
All right. Well, I'm not worried about the number of days, but what was your last job?
I was a cook.
All right. And how much did you make per hour?
Minimum wage.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Yes.
It comes out to roughly $12.50.
All right. So it sounds to me like they've basically imputed your income at minimum wage area. $12.50 is not a very exorbitant high wage. So as a cook, you were, how much you earned the last time as a cook? Minimum wage, you said?
I think minimum wage was $8.75 or somewhere around there. I'm not sure.
Wages have changed, so I don't think that that is a improper calculation. Given that they went with that figure for potential income for you. Do you have any other information that you or testimony you want to provide in support of what your potential income could be and what you're able to do as a job?
I mean, I have proof that I'm going to interviews and jobs. I've been saving the proof, so
okay.
It's not like I'm not looking for work. I've had multiple interviews this past month. My background check, so, and I have proof of all that. So it's not like I'm not looking for work. It's just an absurd amount that's not even realistic. So, and she pays $0 and doesn't work and gets away with it. So,
you don't think making $12.50 is realistic for you, sir?
Making $12.50 an hour?
Yes.
I don't. Seeing how minimum wage is like $10, I don't find that to be very realistic. None of these jobs that I've been having interviews for even offered me $12 an hour to work there. So I think you guys are just heightening it up a little bit. It's actually not realistic at all, to be completely honest with you.
All All right, thank you, sir. Ms. Ford, do you have any questions or comments that you'd like to make?
No,
Okay. All right, so I'm going to deny the motion. It looks like it was based on a wage of $12.50 an hour. I don't think that is a unrealistic amount. However, Mr. Bickman, obviously, if you get a job and you're making less, then perhaps this would be reviewed at that time, depending
Right.
on the circumstances of that job. Okay?
Is there a way for me to like file some sort type of way for like to I don't know, like she doesn't work or pay any child support, which is also not right. So I'm also trying to figure out if there's like a way to go about that in court, or
I have
Well, there's
the kid 24/7.
that doesn't matter. That has nothing to
All
do with it.
Well, you'd have to
She's
speak to
still
an
on
attorney
state
or,
funding and stuff. So.
sir, you'd have to speak to an attorney, or you can file, you can always free to file motions if you have the proper cause to file a motion.
I will do. I'll see you back on June 12th, I believe, for the not paying child support.
All right. Ms. Ford, do you have any
All right.
questions?
No, thank you.
All right, thank you both for appearing. That does conclude this matter.
I'll get $1 out of it.